Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about why the Google Pixel Watch isn't worth it. Let's head into it. The failed first attempt. Google's Pixel branded smartwatch was rumored to be on the verge of becoming a reality. According to a Business Insider report based on interviews with 6 former Google employees, Google hardware lead Rick Osterloh reportedly killed the idea just before the launch of the original Pixel phone in 2016. According to a source familiar with the project, the main reason for the abrupt change was that they didn't look like what belonged in the Pixel family. Google was preparing for its first major attempt at creating a gadget ecosystem, and a former employee claimed that the company was concerned that the watches would bring down the name of the Google hardware brand. The syncing process between the Pixel phone and these watches, according to one former employee, didn't work that great. According to the report, however, those issues were not severe enough to prevent Google's watches from being released. Rather, Google chose not to brand the LG-made smartwatches with its own name. The LG Watch Sport, which has standalone 4G LTE support, and the LG Watch Style, which is slimmer and less expensive, were released just a few months later in 2017. Both devices were the first to feature Google's Android Wear 2.0 software and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 2100 processor, which is faster. Both watches failed to impress us when they were first revealed, and according to IDC data, they, along with all other Wear OS smartwatches released since, have done little to stifle the growth of the Apple Watch and Samsung's Tizen-powered watches. Period. Wear OS watches account for 6% of the smartwatch market. In 2018, Google shot down rumors of a Pixel watch yet again, but there's still hope that Google's $40 million acquisition of Fossil Technology will result in a new flagship watch in the future. According to a new leak, this could take the form of a hybrid smartwatch, codenamed Diana, and combines digital and analog technologies. However, there's no indication that any watch will be announced alongside the Pixel 4 at Google's hardware event on October 15th, and Business Insider sources say it's unlikely. Over the years, several manufacturers have stopped producing Wear OS watches. Some notable Wear OS apps have vanished, and Google hasn't released many new software features in a long time. Despite this, Fossil and TicWatch continue to produce Wear OS watches, which are surprisingly good.
It was rumored for a long time that Google was working on a smartwatch project until they dumped that idea.
The second try. Google is planning to release the Pixel Watch once more. The long-rumored Google Pixel Watch could be on its way to compete with the Apple Watch 6, Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, and the rest of the best smartwatches available. Although Google has diminished rumors of an in-house smartwatch, a slew of patents and acquisitions in the wearable space indicate that the Pixel Watch will be released sooner rather than later. The Pixel Watch would be Google's first smartwatch, making it the most important Wear OS option available. No, it's not our favorite wearable software, but we expect it to get better with better hardware. The most recent Google Pixel Watch leak is one of the most comprehensive we've ever seen for this long-rumored smartwatch. John Prosser, a tech insider, recently shared a series of renders depicting the rumored Pixel Watch from every angle. Prosser revealed a possible release date for the Google Pixel Watch, codenamed Rohan, in addition to a detailed, though unofficial look of the device. If the leaker's information is correct, we could see the smartwatch sometime in October. After seeing real images of the smartwatch, Prosser had the Google Pixel Watch rendered by artist Renders by Ian, as he has done in the past with Apple leaks.
My buddy John Prosser over at Front Page Tech has received leaked images of the Google Pixel Watch and a few bits of information.
We've long anticipated a rounded shape, as there have been numerous concept designs based on leaks, all of which feature a rounded watch face. However, these new renders show it looking even better than we could have imagined, with a completely bezel-less design. The smartwatch's casing appears to come in a variety of finishes. The Pixel Watch is expected to come with at least 20 different brands, according to reports. For years, a Google-designed smartwatch has been discussed, but it was never materialized. Sure, Fossil makes good smartwatches that run Wear OS, such as the Gen 5, but it's not the same as having a Google-designed smartwatch from the ground up. A Pixel Watch, like the Google Pixel 5 and the Samsung Galaxy S21, would most likely do things differently. We can expect a suite of fitness tracking features, as well as a smart notification handling and Google Maps navigation based on Wear OS features. We wouldn't be surprised if Google made the Pixel Watch very Google Assistant-centric and added some Pixel-grade customization, such as the ability to control Google Nest products with just a few taps and swipes on the watch. An all-Google smartwatch could deliver the most up-to-date version of Wear OS from its creator, allowing for better compatibility between the operating systems and watch's hardware. We've seen this before with the Pixel phones.
This device, again, could, if it comes along with a software update, could herald some big changes in the Wear OS devices space.
And as always, take this with a grain of salt, as there's no way of knowing whether or not what Prosser leaks is true. We don't believe that Pixel Watch will be worthwhile in the long run. What do you think about the Google Pixel Watch? Do you think it will be worth it? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.